Today is the 3rd of May. How many of your goals and resolutions have you stuck to since January? Or did you press pause again for the 8th year in a row? A few days ago was Workers' Day. Let's get real. Let's get honest. When was the last time that you did something that worked for you? You don't need permission to change your life. You just need to make a decision. I made my decision in April 2024, and now it's your turn. I want you to put change in the comments. If you want to change your path to financial freedom by making 100% profit, working to a proven automated system, and while doing this, you don't have to be tech savvy, you don't have any overheads, and you don't even have to do any recruiting, let alone have any followers. You would like further information on how to start an online business? Put change in the comments like I asked you to, and I'll get back to you with all the details.